Today we're exploring one of the most magical places on earth. Welcome to Cenote Hubiku here in Yucatán, Mexico. We got here from Playa del Carmen with a rental car and it took us about 2 hours. They made this area like a little village. Cute pathways lead you to the little shops, restaurants, dressing rooms, and the most importantly, Cenote Hubiku. I'm gonna let you discover all the shops and restaurants by yourself, so I'm gonna take you to the main attraction right away. When you first walk in, it's pretty unassuming, just a path and tons of stairs. And then you start hearing the water echoing from below. And you know you're about to see something epic. Hubiku is about 27 meters deep. That's roughly a 9-story building. The opening on the top is about 8 meters in diameter and the maximum width of the cenote is about 45 meters. And this water fed by fresh underground rivers. The water is cool. It's like 20 degrees Celsius cool. It is actually perfect for a break from the Mexican heat. Your first reaction might be a tiny shock because of how cold the water is, but once you're in, it's a pure bliss. Just letting you know, cenotes are natural sinkholes formed when the lime caves collapses, revealing the crystal clear underground water underneath. Mayans considered them sacred and connection to the underworld. Just like other cenotes in the area, Hubiku formed around 150,000 years ago. And the flooding occurred around 18,000 years ago. That made the Hubiku what it looks like today. One of the most magical things here is the light. Midday you get these perfect sunbeams streaming through the opening in the ceiling. Lighting up the water is like it's glowing. Not only the water, but air also much cooler in here. Sounds are echoing and the scenery is just so magical. So whether you are here for the history, fabulous Instagram shots, or just to take a plunge into one of Mexico's most beautiful cenotes, Hubiku is worth every second. Alright, that's it from me today. If you enjoy exploring with me, hit that like and subscribe for more adventures. Next adventure will be Tusukan Cenote. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.